This video explains you how to create data tables in SPSS. As we know, many of the marketing, HR and other statistical surveys present the data in tabular format. So we see how this data is presented. So here we have a data of respondents and various questions. Now to draw tables in SPSS, you go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. First we look at a crosstabs. Crosstabs are cross-ordered tabulations where data pertaining to two or more variables are presented at a time. So we have a crosstabs, that is a cross tabulation. Click on crosstab. So in a crosstabs, in rows I put a gender and age group of the respondents in a columns. Then click OK. So this is what we call as a crosstab. So here gender, male and female, and age group less than 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, and above 40 years, and summary statistics, that is total male 47 and total female 40, and total number of respondents are 87. Furthermore, we can also crosstabs for the same, and if you want any statistics like a chi-square test, all that you can perform, or a cells, you want to put it in percentages, just simply click percentage of a total and continue and click OK. So comparing with our previous, so here it only gives you the count where total number of male and total number of a female, and in this we got a percentages also. So male total 47, 54%, and female are 46%. In the age group of a 20, of the total respondents, 10% are less than 20 years of age, and 66% are within the age group of a 20 to 30. So this has got a multi-dimensional data is presented in this. So this is one very useful what I mean to say is tabulations in SPSS. Another is we can draw a frequency distributions using the same. So go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequency Tables. So frequency tables are counts. So what I have done is, earlier this is my questionnaire and I have a scale items here. So I selected all the scale items, select, and statistics, this I want a mean and standard deviation, continue and click OK. So for all the questions, see if you observe here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For all the 16 questions, frequency tables has been calculated in one go. So if you want to look at the frequency table of question 1, just click here. It takes you to the frequency table of a question 1. In the last 2 months where you saw listen to Coke advertisement, so newspapers, TV commercials, these are the various options, and frequencies are given here. Similarly, if you want to look at the advertisement, another question, so the advertisement is believable and the benefit described. So these are how the frequency tables are calculated irrespective of number of questions. Frequency tables can be calculated in one go, and to edit the tables, simply double click on this and you get a option to edit the tables. So here you can change the format of your text, and font size, you can make a change into font size, whether you want to put it in a bold or so your title has been changed. So this is how we create and edit crosstabs and frequency distribution tables in SPSS. Hardly it takes 1 minute or 2 minutes of your time to draw frequency tables for n number of questions, and crosstabs also the same.